Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motorcycle cleaners on Amazon. Motorcycles need just as much care, if not more, than other types of vehicles. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Aero Cosmetics Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit. This product gently cleans and protects motorcycles, cars, boats, and RVs, and leaves behind a non-stick UV protective coating on the surface. The water and plant-based solution is alcohol and ammonia-free. It is also biodegradable, eco-friendly, and safe to use on most surfaces. The kit includes 1 gallon of wash wax oil, a 16-ounce spray bottle of wash wax oil, 4 microfiber towels, and a product guide. One great thing about this product is it's really easy to use. You simply spray it on and wipe it off. It smells good and doesn't require any water for application. Also, you can wash your bike anywhere in the garage, in a parking lot, or any convenient spot. Overall, it leaves your bike with a clean, shiny, and smooth surface. While it effectively removes dirt, you will need to use a lot of the product to clean gritty debris, such as tar off your bike, and that may not even work. Also, it doesn't contain any wax, although its name alludes that it does, and there have been some complaints that it leaves behind some streaks. Number 2. Flogenix Waterless Car Wash Spray. This waterless car wash spray grand finale is formulated to offer exceptional cleaning performance without the need for water. It effectively removes dirt, grime, and road contaminants from the surface of your vehicle, leaving it spotless and rejuvenated. Whether you have a motorcycle or a car, this versatile cleaner is suitable for all types of vehicles, making it a convenient choice for every car enthusiast. One of the standout features of the Flogenix Waterless Car Wash Spray Grand Finale is its advanced ceramic coating formula. This protective layer acts as a shield, guarding your vehicle against environmental pollutants, UV rays, and water spots. The ceramic coating not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your motorcycle or car, but also adds a long-lasting, glossy finish that can withstand the test of time. Traditional car washing methods require copious amounts of water, leading to wastage and potential water pollution. With this waterless car wash spray, you can significantly reduce your water consumption and minimize your ecological footprint. Number 3. Muc-Off Nano-Tech Motorcycle Cleaner. The Muc-Off Nano-Tech Motorcycle Cleaner is safe for all surfaces and provides a deep clean by dissolving dirt and grime. Its biodegradable alkaline-based formula comes in a 1-liter bottle and doesn't contain any acids, solvents, or CFCs. You can use it on a variety of surfaces, including carbon fiber and disc brakes. This product does a good job of getting things clean, including wheels and hard-to-reach places around the engine. It easily removes bugs, road grime, and light dirt and mud. Simply spray it all over on a wet bike, let it sit for 5 minutes, and hose it off. We like that it doesn't leave behind any residue or spots. Number 4. Shinneking's WASH and Shine 66 Waterless Motorcycle Cleaner. This waterless motorcycle cleaner boasts unparalleled cleaning power that effectively removes dirt, grime, and road contaminants from every surface of your motorcycle. Whether it's the chrome, painted bodywork, or plastic parts, this versatile cleaner tackles even the toughest stains, leaving your motorcycle spotless and rejuvenated. One of the key advantages of Shinneking's WASH and Shine 66 is its versatility. This detailing wash spray is safe to use on all surfaces of your motorcycle, including paint, chrome, plastics, and more. It won't cause any damage or leave behind an unsightly residue. Its user-friendly design ensures a hassle-free application process. Simply spray the cleaner onto the desired surface, allowing it to penetrate and dissolve dirt and grime. Then, using a microfiber cloth or sponge, gently wipe away the residue. The quick-drying formula leaves no streaks, allowing you to achieve professional-level results effortlessly. Number 5. Star Bright Ultimate Motorcycle Detailer and Protectant. This waterless cleaner sprays on, wipes off, and shines up painted surfaces and polished metals. Its protective polymers bond to the surface to repel dirt and prevent UV damage. It removes light road grime, bug debris, and greasy fingerprints. It's safe to use on motorcycles, helmets, and all clear coats, wraps, and metal flake paints. Star Bright's product beautifully cleans and shines your bike and requires minimal buffing with a cloth. A little goes a long way, and it doesn't take very long to clean an entire motorcycle. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.